Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change shipping or pickup options after an order has been placed in Best Buy. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Best Buy account, which of course I've done right here. Now I'd like you to know that Best Buy is an American multinational consumer electronics retailer that leverages its unique combination of tech expertise and human touch to meet its customers' needs. Now Best Buy sells consumer electronics and a variety of related merchandise, including software. How amazing. So now that we know a bit of what Best Buy is about, let's quickly hop into today's tag, which is how to change shipping or pickup options after an order has been placed in Best Buy. From your home page, I would like you to head over to the top icon of your screen where you have this "Hi Amanda, recently viewed and other status." So go ahead and click on other status. Clicking on other status is going to take you to an extended window. In there, I'm going to show you what to do. It's coming right up. So you have it on this page, this extended window. Over here, go ahead and click on see all your past purchases. It's going to take you to the purchase history window. In there, I'm going to show you what next to do. So in this window, you're going to have to select the order that you want to make changes on. So select the order, and I don't have any order here, so I'm just going to show you what to do. So this is what you're going to do. So it says if you can pick up your order within 5 days and you don't want it to be cancelled, check your order details for extended pickup options. So you're going to click on that order, and once you click on your order, it's going to take you to a window where you're going to see an option for you to make changes to your pickup details. So that's where you can change your shipping or your pickup options after the order has been placed in Best Buy. So click on order details, head over to this order, check your order. So if in here, go ahead and click on your order, and right on top of your order, you're going to find your order number. Now click on your order number, and it's going to take you to a window where you're going to have the it's going to take you to a window which is the order details page. Now in the order details page, you'll be able to make changes to shipping, to your shipping options and your pickup options. All right, so that's how you'll be able to make changes. Now during checkout, you must have chosen a store pickup and selected your store. So Best Buy is going to show you an estimated pickup date. Place your order and wait to receive a ready for pickup email, which is separate from your order confirmation. Now bring your ID, credit card, and other number to the store and pick up your items. Now Best Buy will hold your items at the store for 5 days. If you don't make it by then, they're going to cancel the order and refund your method of payment. So if you can't pick up your order within 5 days and you don't want it to be cancelled, check your order details in that order details window and change or make changes to your shipping or pick up options if you cannot make it within the 5 days. So remember, in this purchases window, go ahead and click on the order number on top of the order that you want to make change to. Going to take you to the order details page. Once you get to the order details page, go ahead and make changes to your shipping and pickup options. So that's pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helps you search.